Good evening. Welcome to Bedtime Japanese. Tonight, let us journey to the sparkling coast of Ise, where women known as ama have been diving for treasures of the sea for thousands of years. Our first word means sea.
海、海、
Let us hear it in a sentence.
海はとても青いです。
These remarkable women dive deep into the cold waters without any breathing equipment, relying only on their skill and the breath in their lungs. Our next word means breath.
息、息、
Let us hear it in a sentence.
息を深く吸います。
They search the ocean floor for abalone, seaweed, and oysters holding precious, shimmering pearls. Our next word means pearl.
真珠、真珠、
Let us hear it in a sentence.
美しい真珠を見つけました。
When they resurface, they let out a special whistling sigh called izobui, a sound that echoes across the water like a bird's song. Our next word means sound.
音を、音を、
Let us hear it in a sentence.
静かな音が聞こえます。
After the dive, the women gather around a warm fire on the shore, sharing stories and laughter as they dry off. Our final word means warm.
あた、あた、
Let us hear it in a sentence.
火はとても暖かいです。
Just like the ama divers resting by the fire, it is time for you to rest. Close your eyes and let the gentle sound of the waves carry you to sleep. Good night.
おやすみなさい、おやすみなさい。
Sweet dreams.
ゆっくり休んでください。